It shows the technical relationship. It shows the technical relationship between change in input coefficients. Change in input coefficients.
It shows technical relationship
Between change in input coefficients and its related effects. On output.
No. It shows technical relationship between change and related effects on output. Yes. What do you want to do now?
Hello. The general equation of Leotief coefficient is this. I need your attention. So it's I minus A into xg, where the I is identity matrix. Then the A coefficients.
No, you carry charger there. I can prove you wrong that you have charger.
I minus A
You have it.
is the Leotief matrix. Then X is the output and D is demand. Okay, are we there? Where is Lagos?
This is not Lagos.
Am I not there again?
You're not Lagos.
Well, A1. Where is A1?
What's the
Now, let's try to make X the subject of formula. You know, I have I minus A into X equals G. Now, if I divide all through by I minus A, hello? I'm dividing through by I minus A. This will cancel this. My X will now be equal to G all over what? I minus A. Can I continue? I'm not doing any magic here. X will now be equal to 1 over I minus A plus G. Who does not agree with this?
Where is the one coming from?
Where is the 1 coming from?
Yes.
You know, if I say G times 1, I'll say I have G over this. In mathematics, if you have 2 over 10, you can write it as 1 over 10 times 2. It's still the same thing. Because if I say 1 times 2, I'll still have 2 over 10. So this one now, I can write it as X equals to I minus A raised to the power minus 1 dot G. Yes. I have to derive the formula. You can't come and kill yourself. Can I continue? No. This is Leotief formula. Leotief coefficient. Now, I have told you guys, you can't afford to do this. Some of you that are doing lazy, whatever, you can't afford to do lazy. I say some of you should do this one. Some people do not even attempt it at all. Yes, it has to be long. That's why you are in the economics department. Even yourself, you know long. You talk now. I am going to give you an assignment. Please, if I don't ask you, show me. Show me. And you understand what I mean? That is when you get to this point, do the inverse of that matrix, and you get to this point, find the values of x, y, and z. That's what I mean. But question can also come for 2 by 2. Kai, stop writing.
Let's be
together. So, is there any plan that is 2 by 2? So, stop writing everybody and follow me before you say you don't understand again. Nobody is writing.
Nobody is right.
But the truth is that I've gone through the past question. You don't have 2 by 2 here, it's 3 by 3 you have. So whether you like it or not, you have to still learn this thing. All of you that you are running alone. Then you don't write and look at the board. Emeka. IJ stop writing. Andy stop writing. Determine the total demand for industries. Industries 1 and 2. Given technical coefficients A and the final demand B. That is, they are trying to tell us that this one are the technical coefficients, which is the same thing as input coefficient. And this one is the final demand. That means what they are saying is that this is our A and this is our D. This is our A and this is our what? D, which is demand. Now, to solve this now, my A is 0.42, 0.24, 0.65, 0.11. Then I'll find I minus A. You know, if I want to find I minus A, it will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Have you?
Yes.
Minus 0.42, 0.24, 0.65, 0.11. Yeah, give me figure. What's I minus A? Oh, give me 1 minus 1.46, 40. 0.5. 0 minus this. 0 minus this. 1 minus this.
0.89.
Now, who is not clear where I got I minus A? Now, this is our matrix A. I wrote it down. Then I minus A. I'll put 1, 0, 0, 1. I said if what you are doing is 3 by 3 question like this is the identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If the question is 3 by 3, but the question here is 2 by 2. So the identity matrix you use is 2 by 2. So subtract the identity matrix from this. So 1 minus this gave us this. 0 minus this gave us this. 0 minus this gave us this. 1 minus this gave us this. Can I continue?
Yes.
Now I will now find I minus A inverse. See the way I will do that. Now if I have A, B, C, D as A, and I want to find A inverse. Hello? I want to find A inverse of this. So what I'm going to have is that I will switch the element of the leading diagonal and add minus to the element of the non-leading diagonal. So it will become G A minus B minus C. Okay, it's confusing. Don't know what is confusing. Yes? Because it's 2 by 2.
So we have to do
Yes.
because by 3,
We are doing. Well, look. If I have A, B, C, D, is this 2 by 2?
Yes.
Why is it 2 by 2?
2 columns.
2 columns. Because I'm surprised with that word is confusing. It's not in any way related with 3 by 3. 3 by 3, you have to get determinant, you have to get cofactor, you have to get adjoint, then you will now say adjoint divided by determinant. That's what will give you the inverse. But in this one, I'm teaching you how to get adjoint. And then, okay, let me explain this way. If I want to find the determinant of A, determinant of A is AD, you agree? Yes. Minus CB. So you know that's how we used to find determinant.
Yeah.
Now if I want to find the adjoint of A, are you following?
Yes.
I said as you have A, B, C, D and you want to find the adjoint, what I explained that other time is adjoint. Now if I bring A here, I'll bring D here, I'll now add minus to this and this. So if I do that, D will come here, minus B, minus C, A. What I have done here, we call it adjoint. Why is it adjoint? I've not yet divided it by determinant. That's why I can't call it inverse. But look at what I'm saying. If I have 4, 2, 5, 8, what is the determinant of this? 4 times 8, 32, minus 5 times 2, 10. What's that? 20 what? 22. If I now want to find the adjoint, it's switch this. 8 minus 2 minus 5, 4. Do you see that?
Yes, sir.
If I now want to find inverse, is adjoint divided by what? Determinant. Have you?
Yes, sir.
So I will now say 8 minus 2 minus 5, 4. I will now divide everything by what? By 22. So what I'm trying to explain in a nutshell is that if you want to do adjoint of 2 by 2, you are just switching the elements of the leading diagonal, add minus to the non-leading diagonal. But if it is 3 by 3, you have to do cofactor, then from that cofactor you now get adjoint. So that adjoint divided by determinant will now give you inverse. Do you understand? So now if I have A, B, C, D, so adjoint of A will now be D minus B minus C, A. So if I now want to find inverse, inverse will now be D minus B minus C, A, everything all over what? A minus what? CB.
Yes, sir.
So I can now share the 22 to each of them. 8 over 22 minus 2 over 22 minus 5 over 22, 4 over 22. Do you understand what I've explained?
Yes, sir.
That's what I want to do here. So now, let me clean this. So to find the inverse of I minus A now, let's find the determinant first. Hello? Now I can see that workings of I minus A inverse. Workings of I minus A inverse. Now you know, if I want to find the determinant of this I minus a, the adjoint rather, what will be the adjoint? 0.89, 0.24. Do you agree?
Yes.
0.65, then 0.58. Because if I add minus to this and this minus will go. Abi?
Yes.
Because minus will be plus. Minus will be plus. Then I have switch this one.
Okay.
Okay, what of the
And
determinant?
then how about you? Once you look for the determinant first.
Okay, so determinant. What will be the determinant?
It's
Okay, let's get the determinant of this. Determinant. 1.58 times this. I'm not doing it there because I want to do final answer here. That's why I don't want to. 1.58 times what?
0.5
Minus. What do you have?
156.
If you multiply this, what do you have?
0.156.
We have subtract.
0.3602.
0.36.
How did you confirm?
Did you multiply this? What was the answer?
calculator, Jare. Just look at
Is that final answer?
Bridge No, not that one. 0.156. It is correct.
We have this one. What does it mean? This one, Bob.
0.41.
Here.
We have subtract.
0.11.
Here.
We have subtract.
0.3602.
0.3602. Final answer.
Yes.
So inverse will now be 0.89, 0.24,
0.602.
Yes.
then 0.65 over 0.3602, then 0.58 over 0.3602. Well, divide and give me answer. Divide and give me answer. Yes, divide.
But this one was not divide.
So if you divide, that one has become a problem. 2.4 and the other one.
0.666.
The next one.
1.804.
The next one.
1.610.
1.
610.
So I can now say my I minus A inverse is 2.471, 0.666, 1.804, 1.610. Now let me shock you. What I mean by shocking is that examiner is not extremely interested in how you from here how you got I minus A inverse. They just want to see this answer.
Which answer?
You don't get what I'm saying?
No. So all the work is you do it one side.
So all the work is you do it one side and just bring the answer. So it means that if you use calculator at this point, you are good to go. You know, if I use calculator to do inverse of this to get something like this, instead of you to do determinant, cofactor, adjoint, inverse, you can use calculator to get this and get here. That one is not today. Can I continue? I have to give you assignment first to solve it before I teach you shortcut. The why. So that if I bring this here, I said 2.471, 0.666, 1.804, 1.610. So I'll put X and Y. Then I'll now put the answer, which is the demand. What's the demand? 50 and what? 50 and 10. So I can now say for my x, I will have 2.471 times 50 plus 0.666 times 10. So whatever you get is the answer. So who is giving us figure? Who is giving us figure?
Okay, we are not serious. Yes.
So what's now the final answer for x?
130.1.
So for y, what will I have? 1.804 times what? 50 plus what? 1.610 times 10. Give me figure.
90.2.
90.2. Please, do you understand what I'm doing? Lord, which one do you understand? We should come and point to this. Come and point to it. Don't talk to you like this. Okay now. Are you clear?